We believe in beauty in all its forms. We believe in the power of nature and its rules to live in harmony with our bodies. We believe in the energy and talent of people to always imagine new paths to go down. We believe in research and innovation as fundamental tools for finding solutions that guarantee effectiveness, health, and freedom. Every day, we give our full support to hairdressers who dare to go beyond conventions, beyond habits. Because only in this way, we believe we can aspire to true beauty, true freedom, and true luxury of feeling good. Paul Mynè, luxury and excellence in harmony with nature.